Okay guys, here it is. It's been a while, but we had an awesome week working on the Winnebago. My dad was in town to run a little bit more plumbing, but the cabinets, the biggest thing, all of the cabinets built for the kitchen. I'll show you some pictures of the build and what it looks like now.
Wanna come by and show her there's more than awful out here. If you understand me, you have got to meet the total misinformed. Well, what could that mean? If you wanna say hi, if you want us to be like you, a light blue goddess of frost. Yes, it's wonderful. At the carnival it's open. Well, yes, it's open. Why don't you just come around, see the show, make up your mind and lose control. Come right in, bring a friend, as it's always been. And save her. What a forthright way to soak in the misfortune, son, you are in. You can have it all now. You can hope for an illusion of every single thing you wanted to come alive, take control, lose your appetite. It's too powerful. Breathe in angst and then stormy life unroll. So you want a way out, babe, you left along the courtyard and the open sunlit garden. You can undermine me and we can cut a little time loose for everyone who's wanting to go. Bitter pill you swallow, no one runs from any showgirl. It's the whole world lasting another day. Yes, it's wonderful when you don't control all that. It's just falling right into place. Common sense, it's a lie. It's so off-base, you lose your mind. Everyone else takes some pride in the ways their eyes are.
Okay, so here it is. We got the back closet right here, the wardrobe, nice handle. This is all finished, all sealed up. We've got a shelf, some rods for the hangers. We got little locks on the top and bottom. Works great. And we did a little faux lock so I can get to it, because I'm probably going to be running some water lines. That's where my exterior shower is. So that works great. Drilled the hole for the faucet. Hung that. These are these fancy RV style that you push to unlock. And then they lock so they won't open while you're driving. But they are great. Everything works. Dad helped build this. It's a custom, like a spice rack. We'll probably do some, maybe even silverware up top. Got some access back there. Polyurethane finish. I'll probably do one more coat, and that's the big progress update. And well, the last little thing is I ran some plumbing for the bathroom. We just did the hot and cold lines just directly there. I zip tied it so it's not so noticeable. And that all runs through like you saw in those pictures. And then it runs to the back up underneath. So I already plumbed the drain. I just need to reconnect that, but I already plumbed the drain for the sink. And then I'm starting to do the plumbing for the hot water heater. But it is getting close. And then the engine, I'll do another update later, but I put a third generation Cummins exhaust manifold on here. It moves the turbo from in the middle of the 6 to off in between 4 and 5 instead of in between 3 and 4. I have enough room for my transmission dipstick. Super easy to service everything. The fuel filter, the oil filter. I'm gonna get a custom radiator and intercooler up front, and obviously an air conditioning condenser. That's where we're at. And there it is, in place. Okay, so next thing I'll finish up the final mountings for the engine and transmission. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.